Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: your network's blueprint, infrastructure as code and why it's awesome. Hey network explorers! Ever felt like configuring network devices is like trying to build a Lego castle? Blindfolded? One wrong piece, and boom, the whole thing tumbles. Today, we're unlocking a secret weapon that makes network building feel like magic. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Get ready to blueprint your network's destiny. Alright, let's demystify IAC. Imagine instead of manually clicking buttons or typing commands on every single router and switch, you write a simple text file, a recipe, or blueprint, that tells your network exactly what to look like. Then, a smart tool reads that blueprint and builds it for you perfectly, every single time. It's like having an army of super efficient robot builders who never make mistakes. Before IAC, configuring networks was a land of pain. Think about it, typing commands on dozens, or hundreds, of devices, one by one. Fat finger a single IP address? Hello, network outage. Did you do it exactly the same way across all devices? Probably not. It was slow, error-prone, inconsistent, and honestly, a bit soul-crushing. We deserve better. Here's where IAC truly shines. 1. Speed Demon. Deploy entire networks in minutes, not days. 2. Perfect consistency. Every device is configured identically. No more snowflake servers. 3. Error proofing. Code review catches mistakes before they break things. 4. Version control. Track every change like a network historian. Oops, I broke it. Single quote question mark. No worries. Just revert to a previous working version. It's like Git for your entire network infrastructure. So, how does it work? We usually use declarative code, meaning you declare what you want the end state to be. E.g., I want a router with these ports configured. Tools like Terraform or Ansible then figure out how to make it happen. You write your blueprint in languages like YAML or JSON, and these tools translate it into actual network commands. No more guessing games, just state-of-the-art configuration. IAC isn't just a fancy concept. It's saving the day in real data centers. Rapid deployment. Need a whole new environment for testing? Boom. IAC deploys it in minutes. Disaster recovery. Network went down? IAC can rebuild your entire network infrastructure from scratch. Fast. Scaling made easy. Need to add 50 new switches? Just update your blueprint and let IAC do the heavy lifting. It's like cloning your perfect network setup. So, feeling excited to ditch the manual grind and become a network blueprint master? Awesome! Start by looking into tools like Ansible, Terraform, or even simple Python scripting with NetMiko. There are tons of free resources out there. This isn't just a trend. It's the future of networking. And you, my friend, are going to be a part of it. Let's build some awesome networks. Shall we? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.